fully due emane koso. Sometimes so betina page so na wo kan obi a onim ebedwe ne say oh boy we dey say be yatua ne ka anase politics bi na obeye but anuanom sister Betty obi anhwa ade we bi monhwe bi me pa twa de na muhu monhwe onua 95.1 FM and then one more report about Komenda Sugar Factory. Yenina yenim say NDC for 7 ebeji sika nanso womwanya and then yenuanu we apa no mo baya omo ka story netie. Listen to the story omo tro here. Omo say raw sugar produced from revamped Komenda Sugar Factory. TNU. Raw sugar produced from revamped Komenda Sugar Factory. Afehwe infoni omode to so Ghana ni bia nhwe bi mama meka say NDC for a diabolic ya na eni kwan say ye mom kwan na nkrofo we eba aban mu biwo a eya na people dwen say eya agro ne yedi monhwa de inauguration and commissioning new Komenda Sugar Factory me pa cho bi ehu inauguration commissioning new Komenda Sugar Factory. Me pacho new Komenda Sugar Factory aye bi a ebebe. Me pacho hwan na ye hwan ya penso president ben e na waba ye say e ma ne adwuma. Ye kufu ado na ye nanso omo akofa John Mahama de na ode bedada ye na sebi mprediasa ye hwere $36 million kwa. Woma kofa eno bana na aba ena ebe deceive sebe ye ne aye ntumi nkan tiase ene nyene se oh John Mahama kura na ebie sebe Komenda Sugar Factory na suswan pa se dia onua anase NDC for epeso omedi media for ye se ye no kura mo hwa ade o by His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama strengthening Ghana-India partnership 30th May 2016. And that ye can say, Onipa or ye president of Ghana, the person who is the president of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado. Aman for Mutie, the person Mutie, the person who is the president of Ghana is Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado. The person who said that he will bring Komenda Sugar Factory back to life was His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado. Enti ebane saying seriously like some and you need almost share that this picture ne bo said the beya woman crofo na said yen to mean kind tiase no atoyetrim and ye kan na comment to be say from next week benin na no mo beka say John Dramani Mahama and the Komenda Sugar Factory baye mama man ye mo wanwa ono de oti opposition no and otumi ye den otumi ye nnuma president de anka wote konwa so a and anka wo ye adwuma. Ya papa His Excellency Mahama de oti opposition ni mum ena oye adwuma sister ama anti ama as wo he ena ye na yenya media wo preti wo Ghana womu wo license ya womu tumi di ye news etumi di ye de omo peso womu ye ni na wo Ghana de dada Ghana ni akoda Ghana ni abegunu Ghana ni akokora Ghana ni abrewa. Mary, how can you do this? Look at it. Oh, wait, and yes, a question. Missing me, ya, see, missing me be ready. Moshadi, Ubian trip, no one can say, I coffee BB and Yano Crenadiaba. Everybody, look at this. Look at this. Everybody knows, say, Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado. And a wire Najane say, a ye sugar factory, see ye. Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado. And Onim say, Sebi, Ghana for a brasso. And I say, Brenapa says Sikaya, son, at the Quebruchre, at the Cortes, Chirino. Addo so to say the Papa Mahama Kayan and so went to Miano. I read who some women say, oh, Casa, same we actually Ghana near. Or Bemaya who say, hey, I deal with ya, Omoye, and cost to ya, hey, $36 million American dollars. For 6 million pokeke, for Coco to me. For 2 million, for For 3 million, for Kokede, for 6 million, kwa sante, just Odia, for Saska way for any part of Ghana, and I say, so once a sakra, and I once a sachet. Na Onua phone in Pefe say, Komenda Sugar Factory new one a ye be ya, ye who say India Nino, Ekuta hons, a situation raw sugar molasses are no de chireno, and no chirese, a kufuado revamp or de buy, you know, and akofaba. Ye pes ye dada, ye followers na NDC for more mobile. Sometimes ye suma NDC, umukura card bearing members, no, penny for the diomu diagro. Esi edun ketia se men ko twere odin men ko register men ko yesem adesa esi edun ketia ya so abegina chairman general wa ka kire chairman general say ono de wa link ne bibia digitally ba wo mi adawromenti wa link ne bibia digitally including the pension because on person the pension be yira kwiani bitikoko ase NDC ni awodo kuku mo amommoa no ne pension so anka wo betire ne se papa wan koji Ghana card na wan fa wo niama ntutu yi a wo pension no ho asem beba e bia na wo nsa nka wo pension no esi edun ketia pension de hu hia ne nti wasisi ni yie na wo NDC ni ne de o ka kire wo se men konkoje wo card Komenda Sugar Factory ye dia kasa ene de ye ba ye ne ye meka woni pa new Komenda Sugar Factory or they because when him say we human beings we are sight inauguration and commission a new Komenda Sugar Factory. Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Hey sir, Mahama, one now we na boy now or no take Canada so that no cancer Mahama na year Komenda Sugar Factory. And because free education, they said it was 419. Later on, they said they brought it. Free education was 419, yet they were the one that brought it in 2020 when they were going for elections. Ghana for Enkosi da ben. Menuanom Ghana for Enkosi da ben. Yesi pokwase interchange. Na ye the 36 months. Esi pokwase interchange. Yesi pokwase interchange we ya yesi de yesi sebe eye Mahama enisi pokwase interchange. Vanda Puji, I'm not looking for no fucking position like you idiots. I'm speaking the truth to Ghanaians. Now you guys piss me off. Some of you guys, we have to see you in person and slap your faces. Some of you idiots who are misleading Ghana and destroying Ghana, we have to see you in person. Nankaya some meaning for you people to come back to your reason. Because fact na da hokra ye de chira no ma yendwan mo mpese mu beti ma ye moa mo mpese mu beti ma ye jimifu a mo mfa ma dwene andwene bibi papa bia ho ntino mo mpese mu beti. Since when did the new Komenda Sugar Factory commissioned and then opened by Mo? The Amo commission and a boy, you cut 36 million. You people have no fucking shame in your mouth. That is the problem with you people. You have no shame. You people have no fucking shame. You have no shame. Bloomberg reports say Ghana's currency, CD,